How to create a post on Reddit. Are you guys facing issues to add a post on Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the icon for create. Tap on it. Now click on image icon. Select the image that you want to add as your post. After you select your image, click on add. Write down the title for your post and also write the body text. After you fill up all the details, now select the community that you want to add the post for. After you select the community, click on post. As soon as you click on post, your post will be created. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna create post and Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.